If you are looking for the best 10-inch miter saw, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Hitachi C10FCE2 Single Bevel Compound Miter Saw. Hitachi C10FCE2 provides a lightweight portability that makes it a perfect tool for professionals. At 26.3 pounds, this miter saw is the lightest in its class. Powered by a 15-amp motor, this miter saw generates a no-load speed of 5,000 RPM. This has a 10-inch 24-tooth carbide blade that delivers cuts that are clean and accurate. This saw provides the convenience of thumb-actuated positive stops that let you set the miter index at different angles. The saw miters 0-52 degrees both to the left and right for improved versatility. Number 2. DEWALT DW713 10-in. Portable Compound Miter Saw. DEWALT DW713 is the best miter saw of this brand. The product includes 10 inches miter saw, carbide blade and wrench, and a user guide. The entire tool is very durable and comes up with a stable clamping mechanism. It has a compact design, and you can easily carry it with its handle. DW713 has a 15-amp motor that produces 5,000 revolutions per minute, helping in quick work. The capacity is vast, ranging from 0 to 50 degrees with the left and right position. It offers multiple applications with compound and bevel cutting. Number 3. Evolution Power Tools RAGE3 Compound Sliding Miter Saw. This powerful 10-inch compound saw will cut fast, clean and accurately through steel, aluminum, plastic, and wood, even with nails, with just one blade. This comes with a tungsten carbide blade that can handle tougher cuts. The saw works with both standard and less than traditional materials, with a large cutting capacity of boards up to 3 inches wide. The 10 inches blade has 28 cutting teeth and can bevel up to 45 degrees. The high torque, 2,500 RPM motor and optimized gearbox complete the deal. Number 4. Homecraft H26260L Compound Miter Saw by Delta Power Tools. Despite its low price tag, this miter saw has some impressive accuracy and power to offer. At 25 pounds, it's the lightest compound miter saw on the list. Homecraft H26260L comes with a battery-operated laser switch to provide a more clear-cut line. This miter saw is powered by a 14-amp motor that rotates the blade at an incredible speed of 5,500 RPM. The 10-inch blade cuts nominal 2x6 and 4x4 at 90 degrees. It bevels 47 degrees to the left and delivers a cut capacity of 2x6. Number 5. Bosch CM10GD Compact Miter Saw. A significantly more expensive saw that justifies its added price with top-of-the-line features in every department, from its dual bevel design to the proprietary axial glide system that replaces the rail slide found in other miter saws. The 15-amp motor produces a blade speed of 4,800 RPM. This lets it power through even the densest hardwoods with ease, making quick work of any project you set it to. Although it is quite weighty with a weight of around 60 pounds, it still poses to be very comfortable to use.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.